How to top up Touch and Go e-wallet. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to top up the Touch and Go e-wallet. First, you have to click Reload e-wallet. Select TNG e-wallet reload pin. Now, what you need to do is enter TNG e-wallet reload pin. It will also show you different terms and conditions. TNGD shall not be responsible for any loss or damage of this reload pin, and it shall not be replaced. So, make sure that you read all the terms and conditions carefully. After completing the transaction, wait for a confirmation message within the app. This may take a few moments depending on the method used. Once the top-up is successful, check your Touch and Go e-wallet balance to ensure that the funds have been added correctly. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.